Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Finally, the JetBrains AI ADE Agentic development environment has been released for the Windows. So let's install AI ADE for Windows. First, open your favorite browser and in the search bar you have to paste this URL. Don't worry, I will add this in the description section. In here, simply click on this download. Then you will be redirected to this page. In here, click on this download for Windows button. If you are using ARM, go with this option. If not, simply go with the first option. Once you click on it, the download process will start. Here I am going to close this because I have already downloaded the AI ADE. And also I am going to close the browser. So here is the file I have already downloaded. Once your download is complete, simply double click on the download file. Then you will see this AI installation wizard. Click on next. Then here asking for the installation directory. If you want to change this, you can click on this browse button and choose the directory you want. If not, click on this next button. In here also click on next. Then check this box to create a desktop shortcut and click on install. Once the installation is finished, then simply double click on this desktop shortcut. Then you will see this pop-up, connect your agents. If you have paid agents, you can connect them. If you have JetBrains paid version, just click on this option. Then immediately you will get the access to all 4 agents. If you are using your Google account, click on this Gemini CLI and click on this Google account. Then your browser will pop up and in here select your Google account. Click on sign in. Then you will automatically redirected to this. They are asking to import a project. In here we have 2 options: open from the PC or get it from a Git repository. So here I click on open and select the project folder inside your computer. Click on open. Now our project has been opened. In here you can see the agents we have access. This is because we just log in with Google account. If you have a JetBrains paid version, you will get access to all 4 agents we saw previously. And also from here you can add the agent. In here you can click on connect and connect new agents to this. Let's close this. And here it's recommended to keep this as default. So it will ask every time to edit your files. If not, it will automatically edit your files. In here you have to type what you want to do. Let's say create HTML file with the title as code setup lab. Then you have to click on this send button. In here click on the allow. Please note that this can take some time, so you have to wait a bit. It's working now. So here you can see Gemini is doing what we told to do, and in here it's asking for the permission. Click on this yes. It has finished the work we said to do. Here we can see it has created the file with the title code setup lab. So let's verify opening the index.html. Oh, here it is. Easy, right? Instead of writing codes from scratch. I hope you will like this newly released ADE. So this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.